Hey, welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. Today I'm making a cute and simple purple moon drip cake. That's kind of a little difficult to say. I'm starting with a rich chocolate cake and I'm filling the layers with chocolate buttercream. Smooth that icing out before I stack up the layers. I usually do 4 layers of cake, but I wanted this one a little tall, so I did 3 tall layers. For the icing, I'm using American buttercream, and I colored it purple. And then with my bench scraper, I'll smooth out the top of that cake, making sure I hit most of the spots. Now this layer of buttercream is just a crumb coat, a very thin layer of icing just to make the crumbs stick to the cake. So when I put the final layer on, you won't see any chocolate crumbs in it. Swipe off the top with my angled spatula. This is so satisfying. I love this part. I stuck it in the fridge for about 20 minutes and now I'm going to do the final layer. At this point in the game, I'm wishing I had my pottery wheel out. This cake was going to be quick, so I decided not to take it out. Again, smooth out that edge with my bench scraper. I hate when it moves off center like that, but I was able to get it even again. Put a little extra buttercream on the corner there and smooth it out one more time. And I use this homemade corner smoother just to crisp up that edge. If you'd like to learn how to make it, I do have a video, or you can visit my Etsy shop and I sell them there. Again, I will stick this in the refrigerator probably about an hour. I want that icing nice and firm. In this piping bag, I have black chocolate ganache. I melted it to just the right drip consistency. I'm going very carefully around the edge, lingering in some spots a little longer to let those drips go. Mostly it's just a random pattern. I like the way it looks that way. As soon as I have those drips all around the edges, I'll fill in the top. Let's make one extra long one right here. Carefully go around the edge first. And if I work really fast, this ganache kind of smooths into each other. If I don't work fast, you'll see a line. I'll go ahead and fill in the rest of the top. I think I'll add a few more long drips here and there. Now I'm going to cut out some stars and the moon. Here I have a little plunger cutter. These are so nice. Usually it'll just push that fondant right out. I had a little tough time getting that one out, but we ended up getting it. And I'll cut the moon out by hand. Time to place them on the cake. There goes the moon and the little stars. Now after I sent a picture to the customer, she asked if I would add more stars and make some of them gold. So I added a picture of the top after it was done. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was a very short and very quick cake, but I appreciate you all so much. Until next time, bye!